Welcome back to the last section on synthetic biology and our society. Synthetic biology and our society is a huge topic with scopes covering the philosophy of life to ethical concerns of using genetically engineered machines. Heidelberg University 2013 team did a survey on the public's impression on synthetic biology. Most people associate synthetic biology as genetic engineering, bioengineering, and pharmaceutical research. Some think of biological weapons, killer viruses, and playing God. Let's start with these less concerned items so far. The circuits that scientists are making do not aim to create real life forms. We are not playing God. However, the application of these techniques requires good justification. The real question is, what is it for? What problems would you like to solve? Global warming? Pollution detection? Is it justified? Is it possible by any other means? Is synthetic better than natural? Or is it just modified life that allows you to tailor-make what you would like to have? Are you actually playing God? Will the general public understand and accept these man-made devices that are truly real-life forms? In synthetic biology projects, we combine the use of engineering and computing modeling, molecular biology and biotechnology, and concepts of artificial life to fulfill the desired purposes. Developing a project idea with your own theme and purpose is the most difficult part. Once you begin, you need to communicate with other scientists or IGEM teams and the synthetic biology community to further polish your idea and gene designs. You probably need someone to sponsor you with donations. Of course, your project idea must be pragmatic, fitting societal needs and meeting the expectations of the public's ethical concerns. For example, in many clinical applications, drugs or bugs are proposed for use in human bodies. The ideas are good and are related to cancer treatment or gene therapy. However, the use of recombinant DNA or engineered E. coli to invade cancer cells would be difficult and would raise practical or ethical concerns. We are approaching a brave new world. CRISPR gene editing has been attempted on human fertilized eggs, including one recent report from the United States and 2 similar reports from China. Complex diseases with genetic and environmental pathways that form networks are well studied in systems biology. Bioinformatic technology has been uncovering the genome sequences for better utilization so that you can obtain the gene sequences of any genes you like. From systems biology to synthetic biology, we are developing engineered life forms. Research on the engineering aspects, artificial intelligence, or computational aspect of synthetic biology is expanding. we are really not just redesigning genes. We are approaching the redesign of life. As such, what would you like to design? And should we? This become an ethical topic when the subject matter concerned is human beings. In the general public's mind, some worry that genetic engineering and genetic modified foods are monsters. Of course, we know that we cannot make plants eat your truck or pig swims like a fish. However, if you work on microorganisms, even E. coli, releasing microorganisms and engineered organisms could be problematic, especially when the redesigned genes have antibiotic resistance. One major concern is that superbugs may create some other health crisis if the antibiotic genes are spreading around. As for iGEM and synthetic biology, all current projects are just using model organisms like E. coli and yeast, and in some cases using human cell lines. For instance, in 2015, Czechoslovak University iGEM team developed a cancer cell detection device using a microfluidic technique. And there are many good ideas on various tracks. Obviously, you cannot add engineered cells into the human body, and you must remove blood for testing inside a microfluidic device. In any case, the public's concerns are very important for your design of synthetic biology ideas. You must anticipate the potential risks and avoid them. The project should, of course, be workable and well received by the general public and have a societal impact. Check this out carefully when you design your projects. Biosecurity, biosafety, bioethics are always our priority, and we want our projects to have some societal impacts, right? This part of your task is no less important than the design work and lab bench DNA experimental tasks that you are required to do. You need to communicate well with the general public from the very beginning. You need to explain and discuss your project ideas well to all stakeholders when you are working on your experiments and make adjustments accordingly. You don't want your products useless or become scary to people, right? To conclude, we want our synthetic biology project has societal impacts and useful. So you need to discuss with the stakeholders involved when you develop your project and adjust accordingly. You need to outreach to explain your project. If you are making software or foundational advances, make your tools available for others to test. Wishing you all a fruitful project, and if it works, it could be an entrepreneurship to start with, or just for fun. We always find doing science project a great fun. I have done enough talking, and will end here with a list of references used in this series of videos on synthetic biology or synthetic life for your further reading. You may learn about iGEM on their websites. If you're a student in my classes, Please note that your assignment for assessment is to come up with an iGEM idea in a group of 3 or 4 students. First, you must identify the problem you want to solve and brainstorm to confirm your project with goals and bio bricks to be used or made. You will build up your knowledge in biology or biochemistry when working on your project to solve problems related to environmental issues, food and nutrition problem, and biomedical sciences. And you can also learn how to do efficient science communications. Create a poster to explain your group's idea with relevant citations and figures to illustrate your project. Here is an example of the components of a poster with the justification for your project, the bio bricks used, a graphical abstract or full track of the project, and so on. I hope that you have enjoyed watching these videos and feel excited to begin your project on synthetic biology. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.